Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Threads profile picture not updating. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin with our tutorial. So first, we need to open the Threads app and we need to click on it. And from here, we want to go to the account or profile tab or menu. And you will find it here in this bottom toolbar. By clicking on it, we want to proceed by editing our profile. By clicking on Edit Profile, you will be able to start changing your profile picture by clicking on this profile icon. So here we click on it, and from here you can choose a new profile picture or you can import from Instagram. That means if you had your import from Instagram and you want it to be synced, so each time you will want to start importing from Instagram. So you will be needing to start going to your Instagram and have like if you have like changed your Instagram profile image, you will need to go again to Threads and do the same operation by going to Edit Profile, click on here and import from Instagram so you can have your image that will be updated. Also, you will be needing to start refreshing these threads because sometimes there might be some syncing issue. So you will need to simply click on threads, go to app info, and here I'm just going to force stop, and we can just click on threads again and see if the problem persists. So as you can see, my profile picture has been updated, and I had also the same problem just now. So you will need just to restart the app so you can find it updated. If the problem still persists, you will go to the app info again, go to storage, and then clear the cache, and you will have the problem that will be for sure solved. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.